So what happens actually when we buy, we are always we are keen to book it. When we book it, we are keen to enter it again below my entry price. Am I right?
Yes, yes. हाँ, you're waiting कि अब तो नीचे जाएगा. I'm the smart one. अब तो मैंने ऊंचा बेचा, मैं नीचे फिर से खरीदूंगा.
So this is psychology. Okay, psychology always works, and so psychologically we should also work on our brain.
And I'll give you one more thing. मतलब with Adani Board ना, even when I track the company का news, आप मानोगे 480, 490 में directors या promoters ने खुद भी bag full of stock खरीदा था. वो तो सब public knowledge है. You can go and find out the directors have bought it at 490.
And you see ना, you see their money doubled ना.
Yes, नहीं. So imagine. So I thought कि 450 का मतलब 480, 90 का 550 हो गया उनकी buying का असर. तो I now sell it. अब इसके ऊपर जा नहीं सकता. So I kind of said कि चलो अब तो हमने स्मार्ट मूव कर लिया, नॉलेज भी ले ली, कंपनी ने भी मूव मारा है, तो अब तो 550 के ऊपर कहाँ जाएगा, ठंडा हो जाएगा बस. So that was the mistake that I did.
So this was the point I'm telling you. You should not think about anything. You should not think this is 500, I should book it. This is 1,000 rupees, I should book it. No. Okay. What should you think when you buy? You should not think about anything. You should think only about the exit rule. What is exit rule? What is exit rule? Tell me. Tell me what is exit rule in the chat box. Weekly red Heikin-Ashi candle. Okay. Whenever you see the weekly Heikin-Ashi red candle, just book it. Simple. अगर आपने बुक कर दिया कि ये सोच करके अब यहां से गिर सकता है और वो नहीं गिरा और 20% ऊपर चला गया तो क्या होगा? दिक्कत होगी ना. लेट मी गिव यू माय मिस्टेक आल्सो. प्रवीण सर हैं क्या यहाँ पर? प्रवीण सर.
हाँ जी नवीन जी. हाँ जी.
हाँ. So Bajaj Finance, let me show you Bajaj Finance. So Bajaj Finance was around all-time high. Okay, it was around all-time high. It was at, this was the entry actually. We entered in this share, and let me show you the daily chart. Okay, so here this is the candlestick chart. जब ये यहाँ पर था, I texted to Praveen sir that I think you should book 30% of your holding here.
Correct.
Right? This was the point on the top. Actually, I told you to book it. Then after that, I think I told that you can hold it also if you want. Right?
Yes.
So this was my another message. I was thinking that if it is around all-time high, then if it breaks out, then 30% to kahin nahi gaya. Okay, so we should take the risk of 5 to 7% on the downside. So what happened? After that 3 days it fell down. Okay, 3 days it fell down, and then again it went upside. And you see, in 3 days it broke out and made the all-time high. Okay, so this was my mistake. I was not following the rule. Sometimes and many times I also don't follow the rule, because making the rule is very easy, just following them is very hard. So you should push a rule on your brain that you will use it only, otherwise you won't do anything. Okay, so my strategy has we have developed an algo for my strategy also. Mr. Deepak sir has developed an algo on my strategy on an hourly basis. So this was that what algo is doing. He is not thinking about anything. He is just following the rule, and the result is awesome. Why result is awesome? Because he is not thinking that I think it should fall from here. I think it should go from here. Okay.
Psychology निकल गई ना.
Psychology निकल गई. वो I think वाला part निकल गया. ठीक है ना, algo से. So whether we should act like an algo, or we should create an algo. Okay, so I'm not saying that you should use algo, but I am asking you to think, act like an algo. Okay, what algo does? Green, buy, red, sell. That's it. उसके अंदर इमोशंस नहीं है, उसका कोई बायस नहीं है, कुछ नहीं, ठीक है ना? चलिए, सो नाउ ऑल टाइम हाई हिट हो चुका है, एंड कांग्रेचुलेशन प्रवीण सर, एंड टू मी आल्सो,
Thank
एंड
you.
from here the targets are 7,000, okay, in Bajaj Finance.
Okay, yes.
So when 7,000 will be hitting, then we will be discussing this share again. Otherwise, this is the stock to hold forever. Okay, we will be holding it because we bought it on the right price. Okay, so now there was a decision. There was a point on which I was discussing and I was discussing Chirag sir's case, my case, okay, and the case which I messaged to Praveen sir, just by thinking this is going to happen, this may happen also. Okay, so booking 30% was also not a bad idea. Booking 30% was also not a bad idea, but this was the idea from the books of Kiran Jala. Getting my point? This was the book. This was the idea from the books of Kiran Jadhav, because I have taken the classes from the Kiran Jadhav also. Okay, so what Kiran Jadhav uses, he says that whenever a price is sideways around any important point from where it can take the resistance, you should book the 30%. If you have bought it on the right price, okay.
Okay.
If it breaks out, buy it again. If doesn't break out, then hold it. Okay, you have booked 30%, at least 30% profit. Okay, getting my point? I hope you're getting my point, everyone. Please. Okay. Praveen Goswami, on third day it was buying from lower. How that 7,000 number you derived? Sir? Yes, sir. There are 2 months to go, and I will be telling you each and everything. Means after 2 months, I promise you, all you will be like not like, means I'm saying that you will be like a very knowledgeable person in stock market. I mean, I am gonna give everything from my side. Okay, whatever I know, I'm gonna give you. Okay, how you connect the dots? If you connect the dots well, then you will be doing it well. Okay, everything I will be telling you. How I find out the numbers, how I find out the right price, how I find out the target, and what should you do, what should you think, everything. Okay, so here, first case is done. Second case, so it went upside. It went upside. On the weekly chart, it is green. Let it be green. Let me tell you, CAMS India है ना sir वो share? CAMS. So Praveen sir told me CAMS stock. There is a stock CAMS. It has a very big potential. I'm doing R&D on this stock. Okay, and I'm studying this. So as I complete the study on this share, what I will be doing, whether I will be waiting for the next red Heiken-Ashi candle on the weekly chart, and second option is, if it doesn't make a red Heiken-Ashi on weekly chart and it doubles, what will you do? Getting my point? You want to take an entry in any stock, but when you know about a stock that this has a big potential, what should you do? You should buy on the basis of hourly chart.
Hourly chart पे, because weekly पे तो already 200 SMA के ऊपर है वो.
Exactly. Hourly chart is what? You lost the train on the Ghaziabad station. You are picking it up on the, you are catching it on Delhi railway station. Getting my point? You will not be saying, oh my God, we lost it. No, you can catch it, but on the basis of the hourly chart. Let me show you how. Okay. time is very less. 1 hour time is very less. But many people was requesting me that time should be 1 hour or 1.5 hours. You take time very much. Praveen sir was telling.
yes.
पिछले लॉकडाउन में तो आपकी क्लास 6 घंटे चलती थी। आई रिमेम्बर रात को 2 बजे तक बैठे रहते थे।
yes. हाँ, कुछ क्लासें हमारी 6 घंटे चली थी। नॉर्मली 4 घंटे क्लास होती थी।
रात को 2 बजे भी खत्म नहीं हो रही थी क्वेश्चन आंसर की भी चल क्या रहा है।
yes, रात के 2-2:30 बज गए थे। I remember that class. Actually, when I talk about market, I just enjoy this actually. So I just want to give you whatever I have when I'm taking the class, but the time is less. So that is why I took two months, so that I would be taking the proper time to tell you each and everything slowly. On holiday, if you can arrange for more time, yes, on holiday we will be arranging more time, because everyone will be on.
दिखाई थी ना ये HA वाली, ये तो मतलब आप कोई भी नाम भी मत देखो ऊपर, लेकिन चार्ट लगा दो तो आप एनालाइज कर लोगे।
हेलो,
यस सर,
क्या बोल रहे थे सर? मैं
कह रहा हूँ जो ये HA कैंडल्स और आवरली, वीकली और डेली का रूल है ना, आप ऊपर से नाम मिटा दो कि ये बिटकॉइन गोल्ड है कि ये कमोडिटी कौन सी है, उसके रूल्स अप्लाई होते हैं हर जगह पे, इररिस्पेक्टिव की क्या चीज देख रहे हो, नाम हटाने के बिना।
मैं कह रहा हूँ वो जो आते हैं ना, ऐड आते हैं, क्या आता है वो, अरे एक ऐड आता रहता है मेरे फोन पर, यूट्यूब पर, कि ये इसमें बिटकॉइन चल रहा है, चल रहा है, राइट? उन पर आप अप्लाई करो, उस पर भी काम करता है।
वो साइंस है ना, उसको क्या पता कि ऊपर नाम कौन सा लिखा है, उसको तो नंबर से मतलब है।
It is just a calculation on the, means you are still following the price action in this. So Heiken-Ashi actually एक एवरेज को तोड़ता है, तब वो ग्रीन बनता है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली एक उसके अंदर एक छोटे छोटे ट्रेंड चालू होते हैं। Heiken-Ashi कैंडल एक बड़ा ट्रेंड को जन्म देता है, जो कि छोटे छोटे ट्रेंड से मिला हुआ होता है, ये होता है। तो अगर हम अपने ब्रेन को पागल बनाने की कोशिश करें, हम नहीं उसके सुने, सिर्फ हम रूल को फॉलो करते हैं, तो ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल बी रैली। So here, this is Motherson Sumi. Let's say I'm setting it on the weekly chart here. So how many of you think that Motherson Sumi will not be going more on the upside? So it is not.
नवीन जी, मैंने कल भी बोला था कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन शुरू हो गया था कल। एक्चुअली एक टाइम पे सेलर उसमें 25 लाख हो गए थे और बायर वर ओनली 12 लाख।
ऐसा कब होता है? ऐसा तब होता है जब एक स्टॉक सर्किट लिमिट को हिट कर देता है, तो दोबारा सर्किट जब खुलता है तो सेलर एकदम से बढ़ जाते हैं।
पहले मैंने देखा कि 18 लाख बायर थे और 3 लाख करीब सेलर थे, फिर वो 1 लाख तक आए सेलर। उसके बाद में सडनली सप्लाई एंड सेलर वेंट टक 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 25 लाख एंड स्टॉक प्राइस ड्रॉप टू 257। देन वहां पे फिर बायर्स आए, बुल्स टुक चार्ज एंड फिर ले गए ऊपर खींच के।
13% लेकर गए, 13% के आसपास को ऑल टाइम हाई हिट करा दी यहाँ पर, ये ना। चलो हम ये डिस्कस करते हैं। चलो ये वाला जो बाय प्राइस था 208 का, ठीक है, नाउ इट इज 48। चलो मैं कह रहा हूँ 210 पे बाय किया, 40 पॉइंट आए, 40 पॉइंट आए ना। तो जो 40 पॉइंट है, 40.50 200 का कितना परसेंट?
सर 20% हो गया।
20% अभी तक आ चुका है इसके अंदर।
इसकी पहली एंट्री यही बनी होगी जहां ब्लैक लाइन से ऊपर गया है ये at 162।
हाँ, at
162 ना, when it is crossing the 200 line।
Oh, yeah. So it was an entry.
Yeah, this was the entry.
Yes, it was an entry. Okay. If I would be there and I would be buying it here, I would be seeing both the charts, weekly and hourly. If hourly broke upside on the 200 SM, let me show you. This is 8 Feb. So 8 Feb 2021.
सर ओके सर, ये तो गिवन ही है ना, जब 200 वीक का चार्ट के ऊपर जा रहा है तो आवरली में तो ऊपर होना ही होना है, उसको चेक भी क्यों करने की जरूरत है? तो ना हो सकता है आवरली पे
नहीं,
नीचे
तो
ऊपर जा
हाँ,
रहा होगा।
so many times it is about 200, but there is a correlation between hourly chart and weekly chart. Whenever a weekly chart makes a green Heiken-Ashi candle, hourly chart price breaks the 200 SMA upside. This happens
Exactly
90%.
आपको ये देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है ना आवरली चार्ट, योर रूल इज मोर सॉलिड, आप डबल चेक कर रहे हो। लेकिन अगर वीकली चार्ट पे 200 के ऊपर जा ही रहा है तो आवरली तो टाइम पीरियड इतना छोटा है कि उसके ऊपर होना ही होना है उसको।
Exactly. You बिल्कुल hourly पे तो होगा ही होगा. Hourly is why we are using hourly candle. We are using hourly candle just for the entry. We will be taking entry because weekly is a big, giant. This is something like giant candle. It is taking 5 days, 5 trading sessions.
30 कैंडल्स के बराबर होगी ये कैंडल।
Yes, and decision making is about 1 second. Okay. What is decision making? Decision is 1 second.
तो वो 30 में से भी कब करना है आपको दिख जाएगा। yes
then you will be watching on the lower side also, on lower time frame. I'm not asking you to check the 5-minute chart. No, 5-minute chart has no logic, but 1 hour chart will be showing you the exact picture, and the 1 hourly chart, okay, 1 hour chart movement will be reflecting on the weekly chart. So whatever happening on the hourly chart will be reflecting on the weekly chart. If it is going upside, if it is breaking the 200 SMA and making the Heiken-Ashi candle, green Heiken-Ashi candle, then there is a possibility that there is a coordination between these both the charts. When you see here, if the hourly chart is breaking 200 SMA upside, you'll be seeing that there is a green candle on green Heiken-Ashi candle on the weekly chart. Okay, but sometimes it happens that price is about 200 SMA on the hourly chart, but weekly chart is just deciding to make a green candle. Okay, so what should you do? You should wait for the next green Heiken-Ashi candle about 200 SMA. I'm not saying one candle broke the 200 SMA on the hourly chart, let it go upside. Wait for the next green Heiken-Ashi candle on the hourly chart, whether it comes tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, let it go upside, let it correct. When it gives a next entry on the hourly chart about 200 SMA, you will buy it, let it make the green Heiken-Ashi candle on the hourly chart and follow the rule and write the rand.
Okay, sir, अगर हम यही चार्ट को डिस्कस करें और थोड़ा सा, तो जब आपका पहली बार 200 SMA के ऊपर गया वो कैंडल बना, आप कह रहे हो इसका इस पे कुछ मत करो, वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट कैंडल, ठीक है? वो जब नेक्स्ट कैंडल बनी वो ऊपर आप देखते हो ना 220 तक गई, ठीक है? वो उस पूरे हफ्ते ऊपर नीचे घूमी होगी, ये कैंडल बन गई। अब आप देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 हफ्ते तक वो ना 200 और 220 के लेवल पे बहुत टाइम स्पेंड किया उसने। मतलब यू वुड हैव, आपके पास, मेरे पास तो 100 इमोशन के 1000 इमोशन आ जाएंगे इफ आई एम इन्वेस्टेड इन दैट स्टॉक की खरीदो बेचो हो क्या रहा है भाई, 240 पे भी जा रहा है, 40 पे भी जा रहा है, 200 पे भी आ रहा है। तो रियल लाइफ में तो इतना पेशेंस होता ही नहीं जितना आज हम बैठ के डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। So
that is why these classes I'm taking, right?
No, if you are buying it at 162 after the first candle और आप चौथी ग्रीन पे पहुंच गए, तो आप एग्जिट कब करोगे? आप भूल जाओ आगे क्या हुआ, क्योंकि आपको दिख रहा है कि वीकनेस आ गई, आपका वो 80-20 वाला रूल लग रहा है, एंड वाली कैंडल में तो जान ही नहीं बची है, तो अगली वाली तो वीक होने लग गई रेड। तो मुश्किल क्या होती है ऐसे में जब आपका रियल मनी होता है और आपको वही, अब आपको यहाँ पे 160-200 है, which is a 30% का रिटर्न हो गया, near 30%, 25%. So now where do you put a stop loss on the topmost green candle? वो बहुत क्रिटिकल है सर, क्योंकि आपको देखो वो नीचे जाते जाते 180 भी टच कर, अगर आपने बेचा नहीं ना पहले हफ्ते में लाल के, तो दूसरे में तो 180 को भी टच कर गया वो। हाँ, तो
ये वाला बोल रहे हो?
नहीं तो नहीं, आपने रेड कैंडल जो है दूसरी, जो ऊपर से दूसरी कैंडल,
ये वाला बोल रहे हो?
आप इमेजिन करो आपने सेकंड ग्रीन पे अगर लिया तो 180 के आसपास लिया होगा, आपका टारगेट घूम के प्रॉफिट दिखा के 240 का वापस 180 पे आ गया। सो व्हेन यू आर एट 200, what should be your stop loss? Yeah, what should be your entry point? Because
whenever you should read, book it. There is a simple rule. When you see the red candle, just book it. Simple.
वीकली कैंडल बनते हुए देखने की प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी सर,
थोड़ा सा लेना पड़ेगा। और दूसरी चीज ये कि इसीलिए हम आर्ली को यूज कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये वाली सिचुएशन जब आती है ना तो आर्ली हमको बहुत ज्यादा फायदा देती है, मतलब इजी रखते हैं। मैं आपको प्रैक्टिकली दिखाता हूँ। व्हाट
इस
शुड हैव
पीरियड पे
बीन योर
आवरेज चार्ट
एंट्री?
देखो ना क्या हो रहा है। हाँ, इस टाइम पे आवरेज चार्ट में क्या हो रहा होगा इन 4
Okay,
हफ्तों में।
let me show you. So this is 8th Feb, okay?
यस
8th Feb 2021.
सर, ये जो आपका व्यू है ये फ्री में आता है कि इसके लिए पे करना पड़ता है investing.com पे साइड बाय साइड का?
ये वाला जो व्यू है
हाँ,
investing.com पे पे नहीं करना पड़ता।
अच्छा
ट्रेडिंग व्यू पे करने के लिए मांगता है तो हम इन्वेस्टिंग व्यू पे कर लेते हैं इसको।
ओके
स्टार्टिंग
गॉट इट सर,
स्टार्टिंग तो फ्री है, क्यों इसको इसके लिए पे करना।
एब्सोल्युटली।
Okay, so what was the entry? This price was here, okay? Oh, कहाँ पर था?
18 फेब नहीं 8 फेब।
ये रहा भाई 8th। Okay, let me show you the exact entry. Okay, if you use hourly chart, then you will get the exact entry on the weekly basis. See, this is a green high Kanashi candle, a big candle. 8th Feb it started. On 8th Feb, you see here on the hourly chart, it was below 200, right? Right? It broke it up. It broke it up. Then again made a green high Kanashi candle on hourly chart.
ओके
You will not book it until it breaks 200 as my downside. Let it make red, green, red, green, red, green on hourly chart.
ओके
Whatever you are focusing on is the weekly chart. The hourly chart will only be working as the entry point. Okay. Broke out, took a correction, made a green high Kanashi, bought it. Now there is a stop loss, there is a target, just hold it. Simple. What was the stop loss? Let me show you. What was the stop loss? The stop loss was this. Okay. Let me show you.
यहाँ का तो स्टॉप लॉस मैटर नहीं करता, ऊपर वाला करता है ना, जब प्रॉफिट बचाना है आपको। ज्यादा डर लगता है प्रॉफिट बचाने में, लॉस हो जाए तो फिर तो बैठ जाते हैं लेकर। तो प्रॉफिट बचाने में ज्यादा धक होती है, फ्रैंकली यू नो, वहां पे ज्यादा हेडेक होती है।
देखो वो थोड़ा सा आपको इमोशंस पे कंट्रोल रखना पड़ेगा। And for everyone, this is for everyone. Please, you need to control on your emotions.
But this is my personal thing. When I go into loss, I am okay. But when I go into a profit and then the profit goes away, वो बहुत डर लगता है, वो बहुत गंदा लगता है। अगर प्रॉफिट दिख रहा है,
लॉस से ज्यादा सर प्रॉफिट डर देता है। लॉस से ज्यादा प्रॉफिट डर देता है। स्टॉप लॉस लग जाता है, हिट हो जाता है, आप साइड बैठ जाते हो, तो प्रॉफिट होता रहता है और आप परेशान रहते हो। प्रॉफिट पेन देता है, ठीक है ना? मतलब मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन स्टिल दिस इज ट्रू। व्हेन यू आर इन द प्रॉफिट, you're thinking that I should book it here, I should book it here, और आपको बुक करने का मन भी नहीं, क्योंकि ये और भाग सकता है ऊपर। गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? एक ट्विटर आपने देख लिया या आपने यूट्यूब देख लिया, अरे जी इसकी रैली खत्म, ये तो यहाँ से एकदम टूट जाएगा, खत्म हो जाएगा, उसके पास कोई लॉजिक ही नहीं है बोलने का। वो कह रहा खत्म हो जाएगा जी, या तो प्रमोटर मतलब आत्महत्या कर लेंगे यहाँ पर, ठीक है ना?
एब्सोल्युटली
ठीक है। और आप सोचते कर भाई ये तो गया, मैं पहले ही बुक कर देता हूँ गिरने से पहले। यू बुक्ड इट एंड पता लग रहा है अगले 3 दिन में 10% डाल दिए शेयर। गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? वो YouTube वाला फिर दोबारा कहीं आएगा ही नहीं, वो उस शेयर के बारे में बात ही नहीं करेगा, ठीक है? So this happens actually. What you need to do is you need to follow the rule only. Okay, what happened here? You bought it here, and your stop loss is this. You bought it here, your stop loss is this. Why? This gave a breakout here, this gave a breakout here, the next green high Kanashi candle is this, and when it made a green high Kanashi candle, you'll be holding this until it breaks it. So this much big stop loss, and look at the target. This is 5 times of the target stop loss. So risk to reward ratio.
आपने इतने नीचे का, सॉरी, आपने इतने नीचे का स्टॉप लॉस क्यों लिया? आप इसके ऊपर एक और भी तो पॉइंट है, वो जो बॉटम बन रहा है वो भी तो ले सकते।
No, this is the stop loss. No, I'm not. You're doing the mistake. Our stop loss will be on the basis of the weekly chart, and the stop loss is this. So if you see this level on the hourly chart, this is this level. Okay,
got your point.
You want to see this?
Got your point.
Let me show you. See this. कर्सर को देखो दोनों तरफ, तो वहीं पर ही है। Okay, so this was the stop loss on the hourly basis. So until it breaks downside this one, you'll be holding this. Why? Because until it breaks this in downside, weekly candle will not become red. That is why you'll keep holding this. And what happened? And what happened actually? This was the buy here and it went upside. This was red. What should I do? Nothing. Just hold it.
Nothing.
Okay. It kept on going upside and you see the result. You see the result. Awesome result. Okay. Until it made red Heikin-Ashi candle on the hourly chart, weekly chart, you see the result here. What is this date? 15th of March. What was the exit? 15th of March. 15th of March. You see here on 15th of March, it was falling and it broke down in that week. In that week, it broke down 200 SMA. So you have a advantage in this. If it is making red candle during the week, if it breaks and close below 200 SMA on hourly chart, just book it. Simple. Just book it.
ये तो बहुत क्लियर हो गया. अब ये जब दोनों साथ में देखते हो तो जब तक वो रेड के जब आवरली के 200 SMA के नीचे नहीं जा रहा है, टच नहीं कर रहा, तो आप सेफ ही हो.
Mr. Naveen,
Now it makes a lot of sense.
Mr. Naveen,
Yes, sir.
can you please explain me this once again? I did not get it. There was some kind of disturbance. You are saying 1 hour chart and 5 hour weekly chart.
Weekly chart. Yes.
Please close these charts and reopen and let me know this how to do it.
Okay.
We'll start
Again,
again. because, I missed the
repeating
crux.
this again. Okay.
Yeah, I missed the crux.
Okay, no problem. I'm repeating it. This was the entry. Actually, we were discussing about this entry. This was the entry. So
When was
here it made a green Heikin-Ashi candle. Okay.
On weekly.
Yes, on weekly chart. So here
Okay.
it made a green Heikin-Ashi. What we are doing, our first rule and the key rule is we will buy a stock. We will only buy a stock. Okay, only buy a stock which is above 200 SM.
Okay.
Buy only. Okay, which is above 200 SM. Because we are assuming, we have made a rule for us. We are assuming if a stock is above 200 SMA on the weekly chart, it is fundamentally sound. Getting my point? It is the share to invest. Okay.
Okay.
So if it makes a green candle on the weekly chart above 200 SMA, this is the buy for us.
Okay.
This is a buy for us. And what is the exit for us? Next red Heikin-Ashi candle.
Okay. Now here I have one question. On
Yes.
a weekly basis, if you are
Yes.
looking at 200 EMA, then the price would have moved too far away, right? Actually, we would have missed the cream of the rally.
Yes. That is why we are using hourly chart to enter very early. Okay. If it is going upside very, very fast. Remember, you are saying that if it breaks 200 SMA upside, so it will be moving upside very fast, right?
Okay. Now, see, automatically when the script is breaking 200 EMA on weekly, obviously on hourly chart, it would certainly make, right?
Yes, but we are not talking about only the breakout on the weekly chart on 200 SMA. We are saying a stock is above 200 SMA, whether it has been on the above 200 SMA for the 10 years, for 6 years, for 5 years. It is above 200 SMA, that's it. Okay?
Okay.
Getting my point? In Motherson Sumi, it recently broke 200 SMA upside, but in many stock, it has not, broke the 200 SMA downside for years. Okay. So what should you do?
Anywhere about 200 EMA, the first
Exactly.
qualifier is the price should be about 200 EMA on weekly.
Yes.
Then you come back to hourly and check whether it is above 200 EMA on hourly or not.
On hourly, yes, and whether it is making a green Heikin-Ashi candle on weekly basis. If yes, then buy it.
Okay, can you show it on hourly, please?
Yes.
When was this date? Buy, you have written buy. We will get
This
this.
was on 8th February. Okay.
We will get all these recordings.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So it was 8th Feb. Here you see on hourly chart, it broke out about 200 SMA.
Okay.
and the price was green. It was making a green Heiken-Ashi candle. So when it broke 200 SMA upside and made a next green Heiken-Ashi candle here, it made a next green Heiken-Ashi candle here, you will buy it. Okay, you will buy it.
Can you just mark it, please?
Yes, this one. You will buy it on this candle. Okay, and what you will be doing, what should be your stop loss? Your stop loss should be here. Your stop loss should be here. So accordingly, previous red candle low. Okay, previous red Heiken-Ashi candle low.
Okay.
So accordingly, on this chart, what will be your stop loss? Here, you see the blue line here. Okay.
143. Yeah.
On hourly chart, this is the stop loss.
Okay.
If it breaks downside, you will be exiting this from this.
But the stop is too far away, right? Doesn't matter.
No. It looks like this, but the target is also big, right?
No,
Whenever you are using this strategy on the weekly chart, you will at least gain 2:1. At least.
Okay.
Okay, the risk to reward ratio will be at least 2:1. Let me show you. If your entry would be here, your target is this now. So see the difference. It seems on the hourly chart, but if you hold it, because we are investing, right? So if we are investing, we should not look at 1% or 0.5%. Our stop loss is big and the target is also big because we are going to hold it for the 6 months, 8 months, right? Getting my point?
Okay.
So here, you see, it was a stop loss, and when you bought it here, and the price went upside like this. So you won't be exiting it on the red Heiken-Ashi candle made on the hourly chart. You will be exiting only when it makes a red Heiken-Ashi candle on the weekly chart, or if it breaks 200 SMA on hourly chart. If it first
Okay.
rule, if it makes a red Heiken-Ashi candle on the weekly chart. Second rule, if it breaks 200 SMA, if it breaks 200 SMA on hourly chart. Two rule, I'm repeating again. You will exit on the red Heiken-Ashi candle on weekly chart, or second rule, you will exit on the breakdown of the 200 SMA on the hourly chart. Whatever is earlier, okay? Whatever is earlier, जो भी पहले हो, you will exit. In दोनों cases में से, whatever happens early, you will book it. Sir, did you understand what I'm telling you?
I got it.
Okay.
But we will not
Yeah.
exit for every red candle in hourly chart, right?
No. You will enter on the basis of the hourly chart, but you will not exit on the basis of the hourly chart. You will exit only on the basis of the 200 SMA on the hourly chart or weekly Heiken-Ashi candle. Whatever is early. Getting my point?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So this was the today's topic. I will continue this in tomorrow also, because there are few more things need to tell in this strategy, in this method of investing. This method of investing requires you to take entry and exit on the basis of the rule. It doesn't require you. It doesn't need you to research on any stock, on any balance sheet or anything, because we know every strong share here, what are these strong shares. But buying them, as I told you in the beginning of these classes, you should know the right price, right share. Everyone knows. Everyone knows what is the right share to invest right now. But what matters is the right price you should buy. If you are buying at the right price, then okay. If you enter on the right price, that's okay. No problem. Okay. So my strategy, this I built to solve this problem, because I know how many these shares are very nice, but when should I buy it? This is the confusion. So this strategy solves this confusion. Okay. I hope everyone got my point. Let me see the chat box. I think yes, sir. Praveen Goswami, this
Can we
is,
get the scanner for this?
sorry,
Can we get the scanner?
scanner. Actually, we have algo for this, but I will recommend you all to see it manually. And second is, do this. You can check the. You can make a condition on. I think TradingView. There is an option to make a condition if it making a green Heiken-Ashi candle. You can do this. But one more thing, sir. What is the name, sir?
Srinivas, Hyderabad.
Srinivas. Okay. Srinivas, sir. Let me tell you. To use this strategy, I will strongly recommend you few stocks only. Actually, this works on everything in the world. Everything. You use it on Tesla, Google, any share. Okay. But yes, I will be suggesting you not to go behind the stocks which making green Heiken-Ashi candle on the weekly chart. No. Keep 5 stocks in your in your hand, which are listed in FNO list, which are fundamentally sound, and which you think be holding the business for next 20 years. Okay?
Okay.
Getting my point? So if you get those shares, use this strategy, keep on using this strategy for next 20 years. Okay? If you feel, if you give even 1 rupee to the market in next 20 years by using my strategy, I will pay you that money with interest using the inflation rate. Okay? Because I know this never give the loss to any person and will not be giving. Sorry?
What are the stocks you recommend? What are the stocks you recommend? Which all stocks?
Reliance, Titan, Bajaj Finance, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, TCS, Infosys. I will share the list in the group. Okay, sir?
Okay.
I will share the list.
Right.
Okay, everyone. Good night. And I hope आपको सभी को मजा आया होगा. चलिए कल मिलते हैं दोबारा और कोशिश करेंगे कि लाइव मार्केट में भी मिलें कल शुक्रवार है.
Should I ask you a question? एक question पूछो.
हाँ सर बिल्कुल. 1 मिनट रहा है, मैं दोबारा कर लूंगा अगर क्लियर नहीं हुआ तो कोई बात.
हाँ, एक ही मिनट में हो जाएगा. एक ही मिनट में हो जाएगा. जब कोई स्टॉक बहुत टाइम से 200 SMA के ऊपर वीकली में ऊपर ही चल रहा हो और वो बार बार रेड ग्रीन बनाए तो एवरी ग्रीन इन वीकली कैंडल इज एंट्री पॉइंट.
हाँ एवरी ग्रीन. अब डिपेंड करता है आईटीसी लेकर बैठे हो आप, वो बार बार बनाता है.
नहीं अरे वो तो एक अलग ही दुनिया है. मतलब वो तो जान मालिक है.
या फिर स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया वाज आल्सो लाइक दिस. बट स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने मूव्स दिए. वो मूव देता था. वो एटलीस्ट 20% देता था.
का नाम नहीं, बेसिक रूल. अगर कोई स्टॉक अपने 200 SMA पे वीकली में अपने चलता रहेगा ऊपर ही, मतलब बहुत दूर है और ऊपर ही रहता है सपोज 2-3 साल तक 5 साल तक फॉर एग्जांपल, तो जितनी बार भी वो रेड से ग्रीन होगा वीकली के यू हैव एन एंट्री. हाँ
बिल्कुल करते रहो सर.
वो जरूरी है नीचे ऊपर लाना चाहिए.
नहीं वो अब शेयर
ऐसा कोई रूल
पूरा अपनी रैली में है ना. बजाज फाइनेंस रैली में सन 2016 से अगर आपने यूज किया होता ये मेथड तो मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको यू वुड हैव मेड योर मनी बाय 50 टाइम्स. Getting my point? This was the no, actually this strategy was not there. Actually in 2017 I started market. I started